Hello friends, this is Azhar Husain and welcome to my channel Fitness Restore. And I've created this channel for the people who are very much concerned about their fitness and who love to hit the gym every day. As we all know that the quarantine is going on and we are all locked down, so it is very difficult to get the gym equipments outside at home. So I'm gonna tell you that how you can create your own body weight to develop a very good muscles. Since I've been into this fitness industry for the past 10 years, so I'm going to tell you a very important exercises how you can create your own fitness routine while sitting at home. In this channel I want to tell you very important exercises and a very important balanced diet routine. So in this channel I'm going to tell you about the balanced diet, about the pre and the post workout diet. And friends, do not forget to subscribe my channel and do not forget to press the notification bell icon so that you people can get my updated videos. And thanks a lot.